are Becca and Matt.
And we're full-time travelers working remotely.
We are currently traveling the United States with our 13-foot Burro camper.
And our 2 cats, Grace and Peach.
Right now, we are exploring the Northeast for the summer.
And then heading back west before winter.
Like and subscribe to follow along our journey.
Cheers! We decided this is probably the best way for us to travel. If I keep the headphones on to tune around.
I can hear you.
Working on a video.
We are currently listening to 4,000 Weeks, and we're only 26 minutes in, but I recommend it. It's not...
We got a lot of weeks to go.
It's not a typical time management, self-improvement book. It's more like, hey, this is how much time you got left. You better use it fully.
That's how many weeks you have in your life.
Yeah, 4,000 on average. Isn't that crazy?
So. It's 11:30 in the morning in Shenandoah Valley. We are doing the Traces Trail up to the Overrun Falls overlook. Hopefully we can get in the falls because it's hot.
Yeah, and there's a lot of bugs. Just got back from the first hike in Shenandoah Valley, and it kicked our ass. It's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. No, it's not. It's Sunday morning, and the campground is finally starting to get quiet.
Out of here. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
It is Sunday morning, and it is finally starting to get quiet in this campground because everyone has to go home.
No more dogs, no more kids.
Yeah, this has been probably the loudest campground we have ever been at. And it's a national park too, so usually you think they're kind of quiet, but maybe we just haven't been here on a weekend? I don't know.
It was packed.
Yeah.
Talking kids everywhere.
Like, our space is very private.
Dogs everywhere.
Okay, it wasn't that bad. Anyways, I'm gonna go eat now, but it's a nice morning.
I'll go back actually.
So after a few hours hanging out at the campsite, it's lunchtime. So let's go ahead and make up a nice turkey and cheese sandwich. Okay, these are our ingredients. Let's throw them together and then throw them on the cast iron real quick to heat them up. I forgot to show you guys the sandwich. I already ate it, but now I'm having a yogurt. This is our campground for the weekend. Let me show you from this angle. There was a lot of people here, but they all cleared now because it's Sunday. We might have some new neighbors later. So, where are we? We're in Shenandoah National Park, Virginia. Very beautiful. Reminds me a lot of the Blue Ridges in North Carolina. So, probably explains why I would assume not a lot of North Carolinians make the trip up here because they have their own Blue Ridges. But we were driving up north anyways and figured why not. So, it's our 4th national park of the year. I'm rambling again, so I'll show you the bathroom here next. It's not as cute as the others have been. Funny enough, I think national parks have one of the worst, usually the worst bathrooms. Not that they're bad, they're just not well kept. Or maybe they just see so much traffic, they run down. Okay, let me go let me go save this chipmunk. So after we did a nice scenic drive down the Skyline, we saw the dramatic clouds where it was like sunny on one end and a big storm coming. And it took us a few minutes, at least for me, to realize, wait a minute, that's probably coming our way. So we drove back to our campsite and we had probably like 15 minutes. We were trying to cook something real quick and then the rain came and flooded us out. I swear to God, if you start making a video yourself. So now we're kind of stuck in the camper. You can't really tell. It's actually stopped pouring really hard, but yeah, it's a little humid and I'm not sure how long this will last, but.
This is the life of YouTube. She was just yelling at me. I turned my back and now she's recording a video.
Well, it makes me feel better. So you should appreciate it. Now we're double recording and you guys won't know what I'm talking about it. Let me show the kitty cats. This is Grace, aka Scaredy Butt of Thunderstorms. This is Peach. She likes to act tough, but she's probably also a big baby, but not so much with thunderstorms. And I'm crazy. So anyways, the litter box should be cleaned. Everything's a little bit wet. I'm a little grumpy. Matt's perfect. Matt's perfect. Matt's perfect. Matt's perfect. That's all. The rain has stopped and now it's already 10 degrees cooler in here than it was before. Earlier it was 80 and now it's 70 degrees. I'm very happy with that. Proof. 75% humidity though, but I'll take the victories where I can. Oh, also we put a starter kit and some wood on earlier right before the storm came, thinking, I don't know what we were thinking, and the fire died out. It was all smoky and then it just lit back on fire. So anyways, we're gonna sit in front of the fire now. Matt's wiping down the camper because it's absolutely filthy and we didn't give it a clean like we should have when we were in North Carolina. So anyways, and you can hear probably that we got neighbors again. Already looks so much better. Or maybe worse. With the rain last night, it brought beautiful, cool temperatures. I think it's just now in the low 60s. I do much better in this temperature. Even my hair likes it more. But anyways, the temperature is perfect right now. We are getting ready to pack up and keep moving north. We are heading for Maryland today. We're actually going to go around DC and stay in a state park right outside of Baltimore. I'm not sure if we'll have time to go into DC while we're in Maryland, but we definitely plan on going into Baltimore sometime this week. So, all right, let's get packed up. Got you a nice bed.
There's a world inside my head.
Boom, look at this.
I get lost in it from time to time. No one has a square key, only one is inside of me. I need that day to escape, fall out in another space, so I stay. Hey. Oh, here we go. It's overflow. I don't really know what's on, 'cause I'm a restless soul. Oh, here we go. It's overflow. I don't know where to go. Yeah, I'm a homeless soul. There's a war in me tonight.
That was easy.
I try to stop it, but this game has
Our morning workout.
take me down. Hey, I need that day to escape, fall out in another space, so I stay. Oh, here we go. It's overflow. I don't really know what's on, 'cause I'm a restless soul. Oh, here we go.
You get a little
It's
squeeze.
overflow.
Bumps, hitch.
That's it.
I don't wanna fall back down, 'cause I already touched the ground. So please hear me. Oh, here we go. It's overflow. I don't really know what's on, 'cause I'm a restless. Oh, here we go. It's overflow. I don't know where to go. Yeah, I'm a homeless soul. Oh, here we go. It's overflow. I don't really know what's on, 'cause I'm a restless soul. Oh, here we go. It's overflow. I don't know where to go. Yeah, I'm a homeless soul.
All right, everything's all set for the road trip. Everything on the bed, shut tight. All right, let's lock her up.
Action shots.
I feel like I've been here before, familiar with the view. This ain't nothing new. I don't